Hey, what's up guys, Naresh here and welcome to you another video review. Today we are going to review a Giantree Cloud IPTV camera. Never heard of it, being honest with you. I always say the Wi-Fi HD camera. But cloud, well, new word, but I'm sure it's coming with quite many extra features. And I have bought this camera from amazon.co.uk. The reason I bought this camera because of having multiple features in it. Starting from the resolution, which can go up to 720p HD quality, and it can be used as a pet and a baby monitor, and it's got a wireless and wired connection. It can pan to, which is a very helpful if you're having it for the home security. It's a plug and play, and also come up with the three different way of communication. You can also have an app for Android phone, for the iOS, and also for your computer as an internet browser as well. And features are not stopping right there. It do have a two-way audio talk with motion detection and also the great night vision, which can show you clearly up to 10 meters nicely in a pitch dark condition too. So let's unbox it without wasting too much of time. So in this video, what I'm going to do, actually the setup would be is first I'm going to unbox this one, then I'm going to show you how it looks like, then we're going to power it up and I'm going to configure it with my Android device. Okay, and I'm going to show you what app you needed from App Store to download it. Same app can be downloaded on iOS as well. So that's how we're going to go. So let's unbox it without wasting too much of time and see what we got inside the package. So let's do a quick unboxing. I won't be fast forwarding the opening and closing things. First thing we see the quick installation guide and also the warranty card as well. Let's put it aside. Installation manual is provided in multiple languages, starting with the English, and I'm sure it do have some Spanish. If I can't read it, being honest with you guys, but it's Spanish and also the German as well. So there we go. I'm going to leave it outside. The manual is very good. If you do not want to follow my video, you can go through the manual. It will also explain to you how you can set it up easily as well. So let's get him aside. Furthermore to it, you do have a power adapter with an extension of quite a long extension cable, which is about 3 meters. Put aside because it's obviously do not have a battery, so you need it all the time. You have an aerial for the Wi-Fi. After that, you do it also contains the Ethernet cable if you wanted to go for the wired connection. And the third thing you do have in a package is a wall mounting bracket, so that means you can loosen up from here. Okay, let's loosen up there. And what you can do, actually, you can put your camera right here. I'm going to show you 1 minute. I'm going to show you how you can do that. It's a wall mounting bracket anyways. Just put it aside at the moment. Some screws and fittings actually. Let's get them out. Let's open the camera. There you go. This is how the camera looks like. So I wanted to explain to you about this wall mounting bracket. Obviously you're going to fit it right down in the bottom right there. So you just twist it over, turn it around. That'll be it, guys. So you can mount it how you want it on your wall as well. Now we're going to discuss what are the connection. The pan and tilt I mentioned. The pan would be like, you can pan it like this one. It got a pan of about 320 degrees. So it can turn around 320 degree. And the tilt is 120 degrees, which is pretty good enough. So that means we're going to cover all room as well. And right here in the front you see the infrared LEDs that are very good for the night vision. And right on the top you do have a LDR for detection of the light on it. Right in the front right there you do have a mic, and right on the back here you do have a speaker, obviously for the two-way communication. In the front right here you do have a Giantree logo in the front of it, and right on the top here it do have a status indicators. So right here it says it's for the Wi-Fi, power light, and also the wired connection. Obviously when we're going to power it up, the status lights will be flashing right down in the bottom here. Let's have a look around the back of the camera itself to see more connection. So right on the back, as you can see, that you do have a power adapter connection right here, which is the 5-volt DC, which is already provided in the package as well. You do have a wired connection one. It can support up to 100 megabits and everything. Obviously these are the alarm bits and pieces. For the more information on them, you might need to go into the user manual. You do have a micro SD card here, which can support up to 32 gigabytes. Why would you need a micro SD card if you wanted to save any information straight onto your camera as well? In and out for the audio system, and you also put your Wi-Fi antenna right there. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to configure it. I'm going to install the Wi-Fi camera and I put it all right on the table so we can pair it with our mobile phone. So let's start the setting up procedure. So there are important things you need to remember, that guys, that if you wanted to have a wire connection, you do not need a Wi-Fi antenna then. Okay, so I'm not going to have it like that. I'm going to have a wireless connection. So that's why I'm going to set it up all the way. Okay, so first thing you need to do, you need to install your Wi-Fi aerial. So I'm going to install the Wi-Fi aerial. Once your Wi-Fi aerial is fitted on it, what you need to do, you need to make sure for the first setting up procedure, you have to connect this camera on Ethernet port. If you won't connect it, be honest with you, it's very hard to do a setup anyways. So first thing first, we're going to do a wired connection and configure everything. That'll be it after that. So let's connect the Ethernet and also the power cable to it and let it go through all its self-test. There you go, there's your Ethernet. So I'm going to connect the Ethernet on it. Off it goes, and here's your power connection. There you go. Let's put it aside and let's see, like, go through its power sequence. As you can see right there, now at the moment the infrared lights are on, and also the wired connection and power light is on. Power light is on red color, wired and Ethernet is on the yellowish color. So it's going to go through all the sequence, so you got to bear with it for some time actually. Once it's done, it's going to be straining up like that in front of you straight away. And right here, as you can see that the Ethernet, the wired connection light is flashing green. That means we are sort of connected on Ethernet actually. So what we're going to do, we are going to install the app from Google Play Store, because I'm doing on Android phone. You can do it on your iOS as well. The app name is the same. Okay, so let's go into my mobile phone and download the app. Let's go open the Google Play Store, and the app is called MIPC. Install that one and accept it. Once app is installed, open up right there if you wanted to. And what you need to do now, you need to enter the username and a password. If you do not have any username and a password with them, what you can do, you can sign up to it by pressing the sign up right here. You create your username and a password. That's it. That's how easy it is. I already do have it, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to put my username and a password, and I'm going to press the sign in after that. So once you sign in, this is how it's going to look like. Now what you need to do, you need to add the device. To add the device means you need to add the camera. Add the camera by pressing this plus button right there. Now there's a very important thing you need to remember, that, and you do not need to share that bit with anyone, guys. Right in the bottom of the camera, you do have a QR code. You need to scan that QR code using this app, and it will get the ID of the camera straight away from you. Or if you can't scan it, you just need to press the manual entry if you wanted to, guys. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to scan it myself, so I'm not going to show you that part of the video. And once you scan the ID of the camera, then after that, it will ask you for the password, which will be also mentioned in the bottom of the camera. So you need to make sure that you have to know yourself that password. What you can do, actually, you can change that password as well. So I'm going to enter the password into the camera now. So once you enter the default password into the camera, it will ask you to change it straight away, guys. So I would always recommend to change it yourself straight away. Okay, so that means you can secure your ID. Once that process is done, now we are connected with the camera. So what we need to do, obviously we wanted to use the Wi-Fi connection, so you can set the Wi-Fi connection into it by just clicking right there. Okay, and obviously it will detect whatever Wi-Fi is available right here. I do have only one available, which is called home, so I'm going to configure that one now. So by just going into it and entering the password. Once you enter your Wi-Fi password and everything, just press the apply button, and obviously it's going to connect with the home, which is your Wi-Fi first. Then obviously you'll be able to access everything. It will configure everything for you, then you don't need any Ethernet connection. There you go, everything is done, guys. Our camera is connected with the Wi-Fi, and you can tell by the status of this green light flashing on the Wi-Fi. Press OK. Off you go. Our camera is right there. As you can see, by tapping it, I'm just straight away in my camera. I can go in this way or that way, whatever you want. You can see I'm recording by using my other Note 4 mobile. Now I can use any feature if I want, guys, in this camera. See, you can see that I can go up, I can go down, where I want it actually. There you go, I'm going up now. See that? I'm sitting in my son's room as well. Right there we got our cameras. You can see that how it's performing, guys, in front of you. Now I'm going to go to that way by pressing this right there. There we go. See that? So nicely performing, and obviously it will also tell you the quality and everything about it as well. See that? Wow, that's nice, you know. That's not bad at all, guys, being honest with you. If you wanted to put it in front of anyone, look at this, look at me as well, guys. Now, if you can see me. Okay, all right then. So you can't see me anyways, so that's fine. So there we go, guys. We have managed to configure our cloud IP camera with our mobile phone. Now these are the top features, as you can see right there. You do have a speaker which is built in inside the camera, and also the mic. If I put the speaker right there, you can make it as a baby monitor as well, guys. So it's monitoring the baby. It's like a baby monitor. So I can speak to the camera. It also camera will tell me, you know, well, I can speak back to the camera. Simple as that. And also we are in the live feed right there. You can also go for the recording as well, and you can take the pictures as well from these buttons right there on the top of the camera, and also record it from there, and do have a setting button right there. So it's sending the request towards the camera. Now if you want to put it to night vision, you can obviously straight away select the night vision. It will click on the night vision on, and all these infrared cameras are up and running now. As you can see that the color was changed, so it's in night mode. It's better to use it, you know, if you wanted to use it. You can put it in auto mode. Its auto mode is always good, guys, so it's going to make sure everything is pretty good in that way. There you go. Gonna reset that one, get out of that one now, close it. Okay, now furthermore, something else I wanted to show you. Actually, if I press it, I can speak into the camera as well, as you can see that, because it's enabled. So I'm pressing the camera. There you go. As you see that, because I'm sitting near to it, it's echoing because they both are near to each other. Obviously, you'll be in a different room, you would be able to find it more interestingly. If you go back to it, obviously you're going to come up like that. Now you can go right here and select the resolution a bit higher as well. So I'm going to go for the HD quality. Right there you got a green sign. That means we are connected here. You can buy multiple of these cameras, and you can configure all over your house. Okay, and you can put them all multiple cameras right there in this menu right there. So open that one up. You can also use the taking picture and the recording feature from the top right here. The condition for that is you have to install the micro SD card into it. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to stop this right here, because we might be using the Ethernet connection if you think so. So I'm going to take the Ethernet connection out of it and see that how is it performing, guys. So there you go, right there, straight away, Ethernet connection out. You get out. Okay, Ethernet connection is out, guys, and we are still communicating with it. Hopefully, there you go, guys, we are still communicating with it. Okay, as you can see that the wire connection is dropped and is flashing with the red color, red LED. We are not bothered about it. So let's see, it's working, performing well as well. Yeah, it's working, it's doing what it's supposed to do. Perfecto, guys, simple is that. There are some extra features, extra things you can do actually in this camera by going into the live. Once you're connected to the camera, you can go down to the setting right there in the bottom here. It will give you a lot of features actually here. As you can see that, you can also do something about the SD card, and also the motion detection and the notification. You can set the motion detection setup actually. What sort of motion detection you want, iOS wise and everything, you can do that. There's all features available right here. Obviously that thing need a more detailed review on it, so I'll try to put a video for that as well, that how you can configure and how you can see all these extra things into your Wi-Fi camera. Okay, so if you think there's something wrong with the camera, you can't manage to configure it, right in the bottom of the camera, you do have a reset button right there as well. You just need to hold it for 3 seconds. That'll be it, guys. So you're going to reset it to default factory setting, and you'll be up and running after that as well then. So that'll be it, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you do have more questions about this particular camera, please do let me know. I'll be glad to answer any of your queries. That'll be it, and I shall see you in next video tutorial then, guys. Bye bye.